Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a cannot move desktop icon in Windows 11 as well as Windows 10. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's see guys. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. The first method is that first of all go to your desktop, right click view and uncheck the auto arrange icons. So after that you can move easily all icons. If your problem is still, then you can try a second method. The second method is that open a file explorer, go to your these three dots and go to your options, and going the options, go to general tab and click on a restore default. Okay guys, click on apply and OK button. After that close it. After doing this step, I hope your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a third method. The third method is that go to your settings of your Windows, go to your personalization, and after doing this step, go to your themes. Click on a desktop icon settings and uncheck allow theme to change desktop icon. So click on apply and OK button. After that close it, and after doing this step your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.